Hit the road, don't even check out, cause told me ice my neck out. Been humble for too long and I stay strong so I can flex now. Walking with my chest out, I walk past, they put their head down. Don't know why I'm at my pockets fat, cause I'm a cash cow. Always been a stand-up girl, no funny, now I stand out. You wanna rock, I'll roll with it, well I'ma bring the band out. Just put a bottle on the model and she pulled her pants down. My bitch was here, she have a fit, so I'm about to head out.
Oh hey you guys, what's up? It's me Destiny here, and today I got a tutorial for you all. You feel me? A little tutorial, and it's gonna be on this little kitchen set. We're going to put a couple of things on here and make it look good. So without further ado, let's get right up into it. Okay you guys, so now we're at this screen. We're about to print our design. And we have a picture and we got words, and I'm gonna show y'all in a second once it prints out. So let's send it to the printer. So let's make sure our mirror's on. Okay, send to the printer. We're going to take the bleed out and we're going to press print. And it's printing this. Well, it's preparing to print and then it's about to print. Okay, so it's done printing. I'm about to bring it over here so y'all can see it. Okay, you guys, so this is how it printed and it looks. And we're about to put it on our little Cricut so we can cut it out. Okay, y'all, so we're going to put it on this board. We got our Cricut machine right there. So let's take the plastic off of this and line it up on our board so it can cut our little perfect little squares out before we press them. This is how it's gonna look on the board. When you put it in there like that, you press the little button that's flashing, the little up button. And I should have pushed it back a little bit more on the table because it's going, when you push the little Cricut button, it's going to go all the way back. And hopefully I got nothing back there, it's going to push off. So yeah. Look. And right now it's just looking for the lines so you can know where to cut. And once it finds out where the lines are and stuff and where it needs to cut at, that's when it's going to start cutting. It's just seeing every little angle first. And then it'll start cutting in a second. Scanning, basically. You already know what that means. Time to cut. Cut, 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 cut. Put that on my line out. Now they're done. So this is how the sheet looks. We're gonna open this up. Oh, I don't have my tool in here. Well, I can use this tool. And all you do is, I just peel this off because this is for darks, which means that you don't have to mirror it. And it just comes right off, look. Okay, so now you got your pictures right there, just looking all good. So you guys, looks like this is done. So we're about to get it out, which we just push our button, get it out, and then I did get my other tool. And all we do is the same thing we did with that pillow. These is so easy for iron on, so you don't need to do nothing special. Just do it like that, peel it, and it's gonna come off. Look how easy it's coming off, y'all. So there you have it. You know, that was just so quick and easy. Okay, you guys, so now we're about to press them on our items. So without further ado, let me lead you down to the Cricut so we can
Now,
press.
y'all know I meant heat press, not the Cricut.
I want to do pot holders first. So we're going to do the pot holders. So we're just going to grab one of our pictures, one of our pot holders, place it down, place our picture down, and we're also going to place the Logan Family Way down as well. And this needs to be on high pressure because it is a lot of grooves and creases in this. We're going to get one of them little papers. It's a paper that you use when you're doing print to cut things. And we're going to put those on the top so we make sure this is in the middle. That looks good enough. Okay. We'll put that over top of it. Then we're going to come this way with this. And it should be all the way down. We're just going to press it. We're going to press it. We're going to press it. Okay, so while we wait. Alright, so we're going to wait for this to press. As y'all see, it's getting hot, it's getting hot. Now don't press it too long with this picture thing on there because the picture thing, you're only supposed to press it for like a bit, 20 seconds or something, I don't know. But I just use whatever I know, whatever I got, and I just press it how I pressed it, you feel me? Hopefully, everything got pressed in. Okay, y'all, so this is how it looks. I'm about to peel this off. You just gotta let it cool a little bit so it won't peel your whole design off. But it should be cool enough for me to peel it off. Okay, so that's how it looks, the picture part. Let's see how this with the letters turn out. Yes. Just peel those right on off. And voila. Okay, y'all, so we got another one on there. And this time I do have the G off. I don't know how I did that, y'all. That's so irritating. It irritates me so bad. And that looks good. So we're gonna go ahead and press. And let's get it started in here. Okay. I don't know why I got it so like lopsided. It's done. Okay, y'all, so this is a little pen knitting thing. This was the design over like I feel like I'm doing. Should be good. Y'all ready? I hope it's good. Because all I hear is the baby moving. Hopefully it's good. Ooh, the pressure on that. That's because that part is a little thick. So, you know. Okay, y'all, so now we're going to do the hand towel. And then we'll do the other one and our set will be done. I always press, y'all, so you can make sure you're, especially when you got stuff that got grooves and stuff in it, so you can make sure it's all in whatever you put it in. Well, I'm back, you guys, and it looks like we've completed our project, so let me show y'all what we did come up with. We got our 2 hand towels. What do y'all think of this? I think they're so cute. And then we have our pot holders. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. What you gonna do? And then we have our mitt. Alright, y'all, so it looks like our set is complete. So it looks like so y'all can see the whole set. Yes, don't this look good, y'all? Yes, your girl Des did that. So y'all, thanks for joining me for this video. So mad I have to see y'all go. But come back next time for some more fun. Nah, but y'all meet me back here, same place, same time tomorrow. Okay.
Well, you guys, looks like you reached the end of my video. I hope you all enjoyed the craft we did today. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on that bell, like, and comment. See you guys next time.